Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you are watching a Thursday Threads bonus. In the most recent video, I was showing you how I was connecting my sweet pea quilted blocks. And I got to looking at them, and this fabric's kind of thin. And I got to thinking, and I could see some colors underneath. So what I decided to do. So one, I kind of trimmed along here because I could see those green threads through. And I decided to give it one more fold down. Get that good and in there. There we go. Get as much of that with all the colors. Let's press that. So, yes, I spent some time frogging, but I like it a whole lot better. And you can tell I've made a mistake. I'm not quite centered on these two blocks, but I've got my answer. I can't be perfect all the time, and I don't want to, keep the expectations at that level. So, I deliberately make a mistake. Or like the Amish, that they deliberately leave a mistake in their quilt. So just to keep you updated, I made a little change, and you can't see the colors now through this fabric. Like I said, it is an older fabric. I don't know how old. It is a little thin, but I like the color, and it was in the stash, so we're using it. So there you go. Instead of just the two folds, I did a third fold, and now I will just stitch along the line up and down, and then I will attach another block until I have 5 across. Thanks so much for watching. As always, your encouragement and your nice words are just, they mean so much to us. Once again, I hope you're inspired, and I hope you've enjoyed this short Thursday Threads bonus. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.